banana bread. You guys, while I was in Poland, the absolute love of my life would not stop requesting this. Like, honestly, you guys, I feel like I was in banana bread prison with no escape. And what was I going to do? Tell her no? Absolutely not, because I'm a sucker and she literally gets whatever she wants, whenever she wants. Anyway, use about 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, a lot of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and some ground cloves. You can add nuts if you want to, but she is allergic, so I omitted the nuts. I use both brown and white sugar, a pinch of salt. I like to grease my loaf pan with oil because the banana bread is going to come out with like a golden brown kind of crispy bottom, sides, and top. It's going to look like that. Add a lot of good butter. And then you're just going to slice it up and butter it. It was really difficult to do this and hold the camera, but here